Hola mis serenitas, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Chiquita Serenita, and today we're doing a review tutorial and swatches of BH Cosmetics' new Sugar Cone palette. This is one of 6 palettes. I have all 6, but currently, I want to say I ordered all 6. Currently I have 3 because I ordered from Ulta and then I ordered from the BH Cosmetic website, and lo and behold, BH Cosmetics haven't shipped my stuff, and Ulta was quick. She was not joking. She shipped out like the next day and I got it today. 2 days, you guys. That thing came quick. So I have Sugar Cone, which I'm doing today. I have the cherry one, I think it is. The cherry one, and then the pistachio. That's what I ordered from Ulta. Plus the brush set. I'm not going to review the brush set right now. I'll review the brush set tomorrow because I don't have it right here and I really don't want to get up, you guys. Don't make my fat ass get up. So we'll do that the next one. But let me tell you guys, the brush sets are a lot smaller than they perceive to be on camera, like on the little photo, and they're like tiny. They should have called it miniature brush set. Them things are super small. But other than that, I love this whole design. It's super cute. 8 color eyeshadow palette. People were complaining about this one in general, saying it's a basic neutral palette. They don't like it. And then on top of that, it's an $18 palette. Now, I will tell you guys this. As someone who has already paid a lot more for less, like Nabla. Let's not go too far. Nabla 6 colors. $24, I believe. If I'm wrong, I'm going to correct myself up here. But them things were so not worth it. $24 or $25, whatever the heck it costed, for 6 shadows. And you're getting 8 here. 4 shimmers on top, 4 mattes on the bottom for $18. And it's BH Cosmetics. I don't consider that as expensive. People were saying that's expensive. I don't consider it expensive because let me tell you why. BH Cosmetics pan sizes are usually half of what this size is. This is a huge size. Look at my thumb, you guys. This is easily 2 finger sizes of what you're getting. You're getting more quantity in there, so in the pan. So it's not like, usually their sizes are small, like ColourPop size, right? Or smaller than that. In their traveling, like take me to Ibiza, is easily like a finger, like a thumb. Little thumbprint. That's how big they are. They're little Ibiza ones, and the Take Me Back to Brazil. They're like little thumb sizes. And the rest of them, regular ones, are usually ColourPop sizes. And these ones are big. So, I don't know. Think of it that way. You know, the pan sizes are bigger, so $18 doesn't seem like a bit of a stretch to me. I mean, yeah, if you're going to buy the whole dang thing, all 6, then yeah, I understand you now. I completely understand you. That's like 100 and something. That's why I split my stuff. I split it between Ulta, and then I got the other one on Afterpay because I was like, no, dude, that's a lot for all 6 all on one like that. But I loved them all. Honestly, that's why I was like, I need them all. If I didn't have a YouTube channel, I probably wouldn't have. Now, who the hell am I kidding? I would have got them anyway, so whatever. No shame. Let me start swatching before people start killing me. So I'm going to start with Cookie Dough right here. Cookie Dough is the color that I used as my inner corner highlight. It is a super blinding shimmer. Look at that. All of these colors in here, the shimmers, are like butter. They just smooth like butter. Next to that, we have Dipped right here. And Dipped is a little bit darker than that first one. Look at, you can see it's just a bronzier version of it. A little chunky fallout. But it's very pretty. Look at that. I love that color. It's like a champagne. This one would be like a champagne gold. This is more like a champagne rose bronze tone, more something like that. Then you have Cinnamon next to that. And Cinnamon is this gold. It's like a straight up bronze gold. I have that one all over my lid. It's very pretty, you guys. And then last in that row, we have Fudge. Fudge is like a straight up, I want to say it's a bronze, but it actually looks more like a brassy bronze. Penny, maybe. You see that? Oh my God, that's such a beautiful color. You guys know I don't like neutrals. I seriously like this palette. Seriously. I'm looking at my eye look and I'm in love with it. Compared to Natasha Denona, I'm like, Natasha Denona who? Who, bitch? Who? In the next row, we have Sugar Rush right here. And Sugar Rush, all the bottoms are matte. So just so you guys know, Sugar Rush is just like this. I want to call it like a light brown, almost like a caramel brown. She is very light. Like, for someone lighter than me, this is a perfect transition for you, like a transition shade, or to set your eye primer. I don't really recommend this for someone of my skin tone, probably not someone darker. It's really up to you. You guys don't have to listen to me. It's whatever you feel comfortable with. But as for me, speaking for myself, I feel like it would be way too light, way too ashy on my skin tone. So I would definitely, that's like one color though, out of the whole thing that I don't see myself using. And even then, like, I could still try to make it work, but that's one color. So I'm not really tripping off of that. Next to that, we have Delicious. And Delicious is this, ooh, she's like a camel brown. Oh my God, I'm in love with her already. Look at that. That is such a beautiful color. I had no problems with, I mean, I had a little bit of problems with that one next to it for blending. But after a while, I was able to really blend her out really good. And it turned out really nice. So I'm like, 1,000 times better. When the quality's there, you guys, the quality's there. You cannot complain about that. Next to that, we have Toasted. Toasted is the one that I use for my transition shade. She is just a darker version of Homegirl over here. Both are very pretty. So you can see this one is just like a lighter caramel. This is like a deep toasted. Ooh, it looks like a toasted chai. That's a pretty color for it, right? Toasted. Ooh, I love it. Next to that, we have Homemade. This one's just like a straight up dark. Why does it remind me like a dark macchiato? That's what I want to call it for some reason. But it's such a pretty color. I want to tell you guys that these shimmer shades, they smell. They have this light, sweet scent to them. And I thought I was tripping when I was like, does that smell? It smells. But it's a pretty color. Look at that. Oh my God, you guys. Like, seriously. I used it right here and all, like halfway across. Like, that's it, you guys. This is the palette. If I had to pick one neutral palette in my entire collection right now, this is the one I want to be buried with, okay? I'm just letting you know. So that's it for the swatches, you guys. I'm telling you guys, if you guys love BH Cosmetics, this is it right here. This one's a nice one. I don't know what everybody's tripping off of. Seriously. Everybody was like, I'm going to pick all of them except for that sugar cone. Like, they made it seem like it was the, what did you call it? The third wheel, or maybe the caca. Yeah, like a poop, you know. Everybody sees it, but nobody wants to touch it or pick it up because the dog just shit in the yard and nobody wants to touch it. They're like, nah, we're just going to leave it there and let it fester. Like, I don't know what the heck I'm talking about. Okay, you guys, that's it. If you guys want to see how I created this look today, just stay tuned. Okay, you guys, I started talking to myself and it wasn't recording. So for my first color that you guys can already see some of it on my face, on my eye, I went in with this color right here that's called Toasted. And I was saying earlier that I did have a little bit problem with blending. I'm pretty sure it has to do with that it's so dark and it's so pigmented that it just came out that way. I probably recommend maybe going in with Delicious if you're my skin tone. Either one works. I mean, this one didn't come out so bad, but I'm just saying if you want something subtle on the more subtle end, then definitely go in with Delicious and not this one that I put on. And it is like this deep, rich caramel color. For my second color, I went in with this color called Cinnamon, and it is a shimmer. All the top rows are shimmer. That color is so beautiful. Like, you guys can see on this eye, it is like this deep caramel gold tone shimmer, and the shimmers in here are like blinding. They're hella pretty. So yeah, I love that one. I love all the shimmers, actually, just eyeballing them, and I've only swatched like 2 of them, but like seriously, they're pretty. And I put it all over my eyelid. You guys already know. For my third color, I went in with this color called Homemade. It is this deep, dark chocolate color. I want to tell you guys that this one has like a little indentation that says BH, and the rest of them are all waffle cone, like pressed into it. I honestly love that about them, but I'm kind of bummed out because, you know, as soon as I start using them and I swatch them, it's just going to become less and less, and it's not going to have anything on there anymore. So I'm kind of bummed about that, but at the same time, I love this palette. Like, and I am not a neutral person. You guys know this. I hate neutrals. Like, I'm not like hate them, but I don't really like love of my life neutrals, you know. But this was actually pretty. I like my look, how it came out. So yeah, we're going to go in with that one right here and across halfway, because we're going to use that same color right here and we're going to put it right here, okay? Just letting you guys know. I'm going to go back in with my transition shade. Now for my bottom right here, I said that I went in with that same cinnamon shade right here. So that's just what I'm going to do. You guys are going to see me putting it in there with this little flat brush that I used. Okay, you guys, I'm going to add some of that cinnamon again right here on my top lid. I'm going to just reincorporate some of that right there. So for my inner corner highlight, I use this color in here that's called Cookie Dough. It is this super, I want to say like a champagne vanilla color, but very blinding highlight, like super blinding, so pretty. And I just use that for my inner corner. So that's pretty much it for the look, you guys. Let me put my mascara on this side, and I didn't do any eyeliner today, so I'll just give you guys a close-up like that. I can't guarantee you guys I won't have eyeliner for my Instagram, but I'm going to try not to, because I know a lot of people get a really full-fledged look, you know, when I don't have the eyeliner on. So let me do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, this is a finished eye look. I'm hoping you guys love it. I really love this eye look. It's actually really, really nice. I love those browns right here. That brown, that shimmers are so pretty. So like buttery smooth. So let me back you guys out and give you guys my final thoughts. So that's it, you guys. I honestly want to say that I actually enjoyed this palette. And you guys know I don't really like neutrals. But this... Natasha Denona, who? Like who? What? It's really cute. I love the whole like design of it. I like the aesthetic behind it. It's like, you know, sugar cone, candy, like, oh, like ice cream. Just candy and ice cream with these little sprinkles all over. I just love it. These are, it's, of course, this is an all neutral palette. I heard so many people complaining about this palette on Instagram. Like everybody wanted all the other ones, and I have all the palettes, believe me, you guys, I have all the palettes, but you guys already know it's one by one. So many people were seeing so many negative things about this. Oh, I didn't want that one, it was just a neutral palette. Like, neutrals are essential, homie. Like, no, don't kick it to the side. Sugar cone actually is a nice one. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay warm, stay blessed, and stay magical. Bye, you guys.